Good morning students. Today we will study the new chapter of class 11, that is straight line. Students, you have studied about straight line formulas in class 10th coordinate geometry. Okay students. Okay, I am going to tell you some formulas of slope of a line. Okay, what is the slope of a line students? When this is a line, when this line passes through 2 points, this coordinate is x1, y1 and this coordinate is x2, y2, we have the formula that is m is equals to first tan theta. Secondly, we have the formula that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. And if we have given the general expression of a line, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, at that time we have the formula of slope. When you have given the expression of a line, at that time we have the slope that is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Okay students, we have these three formulas of slope. What are? First is tan theta, secondary is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and last, if we have given the general expression of a line, at that time minus coefficient of x whole upon coefficient of y. Okay dear students, actually from where we have got these all the formulas that I am going to tell you. If a line is making an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, what I said is student, when a line is making an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, at that time slope of this line, what is the slope of this line? That is the tangent of this angle making the line with the positive direction of x-axis is known as slope of this line. Slope is denoted by what? M. M is equals to what? Tangent of theta means angle that a line is making with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay students? Now listen to me. What is the means of this coordinate x and y1? Means that this point is the distance x1, okay, and this is the distance what student, that is y1. What is the means of x2, y2? This is the distance what, that will be students x2, and that distance will be what student, that will be y2. If we draw perpendicular line from here, we will get what students? Look at here very properly. If this angle is theta, then this angle will also theta. Why this angle is theta? Because of corresponding angles. Why? Because this line is parallel to this line. Why this line is parallel to this line? Because this is x-axis and this is what, y-axis, and we know that y-axis and x-axis are perpendicular to each other. Are you getting students what I am saying? Now, what is this distance? Actually, this distance is y2 and this distance is y1. Then this distance will also be y1 and this distance will be what, y2 minus y1. Are you getting what I am saying? Now this distance is x2, this distance is x1, so this distance will be what, x2 minus x1. At that time when we will use the formula tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base, we have what? Perpendicular distance is what? That is y2 minus y1 whole upon what is the base, that is what, x2 minus x1. This is the formula, and we know that tan theta is equals to what? Slope of a line. Okay, one more formula. If we have given a line that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, at that time slope of a line will be what? Minus a upon b, where a is what? That is coefficient of x. What is b? That is coefficient of y. These formulas we have of slope of a line. Are you getting students? Now we will I will tell you some more formulas of equation of line students. Look at here very properly. Equation of a line. We have so many equations of a line, but there are some different conditions. Okay. When first equation of line, that is of slope form, that is y is equals to mx plus c. What is y and what is x? That are the general points on a line. And what is m? That is the slope that I told you here students. Okay. What is the slope? That you know it very well. And what is c? That is the intercept on y-axis. That is what students? That is intercept on y-axis. Okay. This is the equation of a line of slope form we have so many equations of line. I will tell you. Thank you.